Most basement bathroom additions need more than just a toilet. They need a shower too. An Upflush toilet and shower system handles both waste streams from a single pump, without breaking concrete or running new gravity drains. This guide covers 5 of the best Upflush toilet and shower systems for basement use in 2026, from budget entry to heavy-duty primary load. Opening this guide is the Saniflo Saniplus, the macerating pump with the most documented residential installations in the category and the most appropriate starting point for any homeowner evaluating a toilet and shower system for a basement. The Saniplus is explicitly a 4-inlet full bath pump. 1 inlet connects the toilet, 1 connects a wash basin, 1 connects a shower, and 1 connects a bathtub, all through a single macerating unit that grinds waste and grey water together and discharges the combined stream through a 1-inch pipe against gravity to the existing sewer connection. That multi-inlet design is the core reason it leads this specific comparison. The system is engineered to handle both solid waste from the toilet and grey water from the shower drain without requiring a separate pump for each fixture. 9 feet of vertical lift, 100 feet of horizontal discharge. The motor runs at 3,600 revolutions per minute, sealed in an oil-filled enclosure for life with no routine lubrication required. 4-year warranty, made in France, UL listed. Pump-only format lets you pair it with any toilet bowl configuration. With 253 verified buyer ratings, the Saniplus has more documented performance across toilet and shower installations than any other single product in this category. The MaceratingFlo 750-watt is the best-reviewed budget system on this list that covers the full toilet and shower load with 4 inlets. At this price point, 4 inlet systems are available from several brands, but most have minimal review bases that make real-world reliability difficult to assess. The MaceratingFlo has accumulated 151 verified buyers at 4.4 stars, more purchase validation than any other sub-$700 4-inlet system currently available on Amazon. The 4 inlets connect a toilet, sink, shower, and bathtub to a single 750-watt macerating motor that discharges the combined waste stream through a standard discharge pipe to the sewer connection. An extension pipe between the bowl and the pump unit is included in the box, the component most frequently missing from budget systems that requires a separate trip to complete the installation. Bowl and tank included. For a homeowner adding a basement bathroom with both a toilet and a shower at the lowest price, with documented buyer data behind it, the MaceratingFlo 750-watt is the specific product this comparison identifies for that requirement. The simple project, 600-watt, is the integrated option at the budget tier, the only product on this list where the macerating pump is housed inside the toilet unit itself, rather than mounted as a separate component alongside the bowl. 3 inlets handle a toilet, sink, and shower from a single system. The 600-watt motor processes both toilet solid waste and shower grey water through the same macerating chamber, discharging the combined stream through the rear outlet. An AC vent is included. For a basement bathroom addition where the shower inlet is required, but the installation footprint needs to remain as small as possible, no separate pump box to mount, no external mechanical housing to conceal, the simple project delivers the toilet and shower combination in a single visible unit at the budget floor of this comparison. The integrated design does limit the inlet count to 3, which covers toilet, sink, and shower, but not a bathtub. For a basement bathroom without a tub, that limitation is not relevant, and the compact installation profile is a practical advantage. The Liberty Pump's ASCENTII-ESW is the system on this list engineered most specifically for installations where the shower waste has the farthest to travel. Its 25-foot vertical lift is the deepest below-grade reach of any product in this comparison, 6 feet beyond the standard 9-foot ceiling of the Saniplus, making it the appropriate system for basement floors where the shower drain sits at a depth that the other products here cannot serve. Full bath, capable, handling toilet, shower, and tub through a standard full bath inlet configuration. Razor-cut stainless steel blades handle the combined waste stream from both solid toilet waste and shower grey water, and they are replaceable with standard utility knife blades rather than proprietary parts, a relevant long-term maintenance advantage for a system processing higher daily water volume from shower use. IST solid-state switching eliminates the mechanical float switch that is the most commonly cited failure point in competing macerating systems. Built-in alarm and LED indicators. WaterSense certified at 1.28 gallons per flush. Made in the United States. For a basement bathroom where the shower drain is at depth that requires more vertical lift than standard systems provide, or where US manufacturing is a priority, the ASCENTII-ESW is the right system. Closing this guide is the Saniflo Sanibest Pro, the product on this list specifically built for the highest daily water volume that a basement toilet and shower combination can generate. The Sanibest Pro's heavy-duty throughput specification directly addresses the scenario where the basement bathroom is not a secondary or occasional use addition, but the household's primary shower, the bathroom where daily morning routines happen, where back-to-back showers occur across multiple household members, and where the combined daily water volume from toilet flushes and shower use approaches primary floor bathroom levels. Under that load, the Saniplus and other standard residential pumps on this list are operating near their design ceiling. The Sanibest Pro is not. Its pump and macerating assembly are rated for the higher daily cycle count and grey water volume that this use pattern generates. 4 inlets explicitly cover toilet, wash basin, shower and bathtub. 15 feet of vertical lift handles deeper basement floors. Complete kit with elongated bowl and tank. 4-year warranty, the longest on this list. Made in France. For the basement bathroom where the shower runs every day under primary use conditions, the Sanibest Pro closes this guide at the right position. Those are 5 Upflush toilet and shower systems for basement use in 2026. From the Maceratingflo and Simple project at the budget entry to the Sanibest Pro's heavy-duty primary use ceiling. Match by inlet count first. 3 inlet if you need toilet, sink and shower. 4 inlet if you're adding a tub. Then match by depth and daily load. Links to all 5 are in the description. If this guide helped you identify the right system for your basement bathroom, give the video a like and subscribe.